This is the slide of fallopian tube. Here you can see there are three layers. Okay, inner mucosal layer that overlies loose connective tissue, lamina propria. So this is the innermost layer, that is the mucosa. This mucosa, it throws with various a number of folds into the lumen, and this lumen, it is almost filled with these mucosal folds. Okay, and the lining epithelium is simple columnar epithelium, ciliated as well as non-ciliated. Some cells are ciliated and some cells are non-ciliated, that are called as secretory cells or pack cells. This mucosa that overlies loose connective tissue, that is lamina propria. Then the middle layer, it is muscle layer that consists of inner circular muscle layer and outer longitudinal muscle layer. There is abundant interstitial connective tissue in between these muscle layers. That's why outer longitudinal muscle layer, it is indistinct from the inner circular muscle layer. Outermost layer is serosa, that is in connection with the mesothelium. This is a large view of the fallopian tube. Here you can see the lumen of fallopian tube, it is almost filled with the mucosal fold. This is the characteristic and peculiar feature of the fallopian tube. In no other than fallopian tube you will find this feature. So this is the enlarged view of the fallopian tube. Here you can see these are the ciliated cells. Okay, so you can see these ciliated cells are few. Okay, and in between these ciliated cells some non-ciliated cells are also present. Okay, these are cilia. Okay, these cilia, they help in the movement of the ovum from ampulla to the uterus. And this muscle layer, okay, it causes peristalsis movement in the fallopian tube that further help in the movement of the ovum towards the uterus. So if you will see a slide which have three layers, inner mucosal layer, middle muscle layer coat and outer serosa, and the lumen is almost filled with mucosal folds and also having lining epithelium of simple columnar cells, some ciliated and some non-ciliated cells, then that slide is definitely belong to fallopian tube.